What's the meaning of cigarette end? Cigarette end. Cigarette end.
Cigarette end. Cigarette end. The term cigarette end typically refers to the portion of a cigarette that remains after it has been smoked. This small remaining piece of tobacco and filter can be a fire hazard if not disposed of properly, particularly in dry environments such as forests or fields. Additionally, cigarette ends can contribute to plastic pollution, as the filters are typically made from cellulose acetate, a type of plastic that is slow to decompose. It is important to properly dispose of cigarette ends in a designated bin or container.